What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? No, I'm already laughing. Okay, so I haven't seen Trisha in a while. A lot's happened. A lot's went down.
Jeffree.
Trisha has a Pomeranian and a Lamborghini. Yes.
Jeffree, sorry, who?
But we talked about it last time. You're the sister that my mom wouldn't let me have.
Yeah, I love that.
So, first of all, I don't know what's about to happen, but you didn't really know why you're here, so I'm gonna show you why you're here. I haven't shown you.
We're baking?
We're baking, but we're gonna bake makeup.
Oh God, two things I can't do.
Create your own edible eyeshadow.
Oh my God, packaging.
Yeah, packaging. No, this is you.
Yeah, if I was a cosmetic
said,
brand.
if I do film, like I wanted to film this with someone.
Yeah.
And you're the only one that came. When I saw this, I was like, Trisha, everyone else, trash.
And we get to eat it. Like,
Yeah.
who else eats on YouTube? Nobody.
You're the queen of eating. I've definitely stolen some of your mukbang moments. I was like, Trisha's killing it. Like, I want to try it.
Yeah, but
our Taco Bell video broke records, honey.
Really? Talk about everything.
I live for them. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is allegedly a science experiment. It's
Science.
Yeah, I know. I flopped in science.
Same. Oh yeah, it's science.
Choking hazards, small parts, great. We like big parts, don't we?
We love a big.
We love it. It says only on Netflix. I don't know. Did they sell this on Netflix? I got this at Target. So let's open this up. I don't know what the hell we need to do, but my assistant did look at this and say, hey, you don't have any of the ingredients. I thought everything was gonna come in here. Like,
It doesn't come with anything?
I don't know. So, I know.
Oh, so you gotta buy all this separate.
Yeah.
Iconic.
Kind of degrading, but let's see what happens. So this.
It's literally just a palette. Cheap. Whoa.
Shut.
That's what you get?
So this is what you get.
That's not edible eyeshadow. That's a palette, bitch.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm shook.
Will you do the honors? I'm fucking shook.
I'm shook.
Oh my God, but how cute is this little mixer? Like I might use this in my real life.
What are you fucking?
So you get a 8-pan eyeshadow palette.
Jeffree Star Cosmetics is with the
They're
packaging.
closing their doors right now.
Blood sugar what? This is where it's
I
at.
thought blood sugar was the palette of the year. Flop. Okay, so you get the eyeshadow palette. What's that? I'm sure we'll find out in a minute. I have instructions. Oh, just lock it in.
Oh.
It's locking it in so you can bake. Cute.
So serious.
Okay, so serious.
How do you bake it though? Like in a microwave?
Well, it has instructions, so we'll have to see.
Ooh.
So,
Oh, Mac.
we have these little, what are these called? Measuring cups, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And, yeah,
I
those are
don't-
cute.
Oh, they're like hexagon moments. Fenty. Okay, and then it comes with a shot glass. You drink, right?
Love drinking.
Okay.
I love
Ooh,
mixing.
this is cute packaging, actually. No.
That's iconic. I would take a shot out of that.
Okay.
Loves.
Later. Okay, so should we just dive in?
Let's dive in.
Let's do this.
Okay.
So it said, where'd the box go? So it says that we need cornstarch, I don't even know what that is, powdered sugar, thank God, and sprinkles from home.
So cheap.
I know, that's what we get.
That's
okay,
so
let's start. Okay. I've never baked before. Like I've watched people, I've helped stir.
Yeah, I made Rice Krispies once.
Aww.
They were good.
So basically,
You get horny when you're hungry?
Step 1, yes. Is that weird?
Oh no, because you feel really thin and ready to go. That's how I feel too when I'm like starving. I'm like, oh, I'm so skinny right now. Let's go.
Oh my God, please move in. Okay, so.
I'm ready. I'm looking for a house.
Ooh, okay. Step 1, ask an adult to help you gather all the household items
says.
needed. Yeah. So, oh, last ingredient. Could you read that out loud for everyone?
Rubbing alcohol.
That's an ingredient.
Rubbing alcohol?
Huh.
Wait, no, rubbing alcohol. Are you? That can't be.
Yeah.
You can't drink rubbing alcohol.
Okay, I see why. That's for step 1. It wants us to rub rubbing alcohol
Oh, to like.
to like clean it. But we're trailer trash. We don't
dirty.
care, right? Yeah, I'm from the gutter. I'm not cleaning.
Same. I never clean like washcloths when I get them. I just use them.
What's it gonna do?
I don't
Like
know.
when you buy a new shirt, wash it before. I don't have time for that.
No, I know. I just put it on with
Yeah.
bed bugs. I don't care.
Next step. In a mixing bowl, pour 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar mixed with a spoon. I'm already lost.
I hate stuff like this. I hate instructions. Should we just dump it?
Yeah, let's do this little bowl.
Oh, why
So
what's
let's-
with the big bowl?
I don't know. We just thought
Oh.
we had options. Oh my.
This is so much work.
And this is what me and you were always. Did you tell me you cut yourself? No! Did you really? Where?
No.
This is the steps. There's not that many.
Okay. We can do it.
Do you want a shot first?
Shop?
No, I love shopping. You want a shot before we start?
Well, you don't have a shot or anything. You don't drink.
I do. Nate does.
What's he drink?
Oh my God.
What is this, scotch? Am I gonna be like...
Do you want it? Oh, no.
Scotch.
No, let me look. Hold on. Now this is a really big shot glass, so let's not give you the full moment.
I might need a chaser. Maybe let me get Red Bull.
Oh, okay. We got Red Bull. We got.
You got lots of Red Bull. That's why.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna join you guys.
What is that? Oh.
Maddie's like, I'm not coming on
Bougie.
camera, bitch. I got no makeup on. Have a good day.
Oh. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Yes. Oh, I'm wasted.
Oh my God, I haven't done shots. I don't do shots ever.
Really?
But I was like, I can get it. It comes quick.
All right, so we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. What is
love
cornstarch supposed to do? Should I know this?
It puffs it up.
Great. I want to puff. Okay, so 1 of these. Okay, now we need 3 teaspoons.
Love a teaspoon.
Maddie's helping us, okay? I'm like,
No.
okay. This looks like we're like doing a Breaking Bad moment.
Oh yeah, for real though.
I'm just starting like,
3.
I'm so hungry. 3.
Right?
And then, yep, and then mix them together.
Okay.
I love these. Are these real gold?
Yeah, those are Hermes spoons.
What if I just dropped it?
Okay, so before we
Yeah.
put it in there.
Ew. Ew. What does it taste like?
It's fucking iconic. Don't ever say ew again in my house.
Ew.
Open up. Wait, vodka and sugar? Oh, that's probably good. Get it?
Ow.
Exactly.
Oh my God, it's so good.
I'm gonna come. Okay, there's 1. There's 2.
3.
And there's 3. I've never done a baking thing on my channel. I'm so sorry if you all hate us. I'm just kidding.
Oh really? Is that like
No, this is good. We're just hanging out. That's why I love
trying to
you.
get
That's why I
Food
love
Network?
you.
Food Network show.
Me and you on a Food
Cooking
Network
with
channel?
Jeffree and Trisha's cooking.
Oh my
That'd be
God.
iconic. There is
I'm
one like
freaking
that,
out.
like Worst Cooks or something.
Haven't heard of him. All right. Oh, open the sprinkles up. Okay, so food coloring is coming up next.
You only get 1 or 2 drops of different colors.
What?
What?
Ew.
Ew.
Nate, get over here.
What is that from? You?
Someone didn't watch my series.
Wait, what? Wait,
No, when Shane's in full beat and he's like talking to Nate, like,
Oh, yeah.
"Hi, baby, get over here."
that was a long series. I mean, I love. No, is that? I just. No, but I live.
Let's do pink, red, yellow, and how many can we do?
It says 1 to 2 drops.
That's a
Love
crime.
it. Was that pink?
In here,
Yep, and then mix it together.
1, 2, and then 1 more color.
I mean, it says pour 1 to 2 drops of food coloring and mix with the dry ingredients.
Are we doing this for each pan?
Oh, probably.
No.
Yeah.
Or it's pick 1 and then that's it.
No.
No, hold on, I really think that's probably what it is.
Yeah, if it's one color.
Okay, now what do we do?
You're gonna have the same eyeshadows.
Fill the beaker with water and pour a few drops of water in slowly and like mix it together until you get a dough-like consistency.
Just the beaker?
Slowly pour it in and mix everything together, and you'll get until you get a smooth dough-like consistency. Slowly, and mix as she's doing it.
Oh, wait, what? Why slowly? What would it matter?
And you don't want it to get like too thick.
Oh, baby.
Are we doing it? Is it working like
I'm a
eyeshadows?
connoisseur.
Ew. It looks like milk after you eat like Fruit Loops.
Now what do we do?
Now what?
Well, it just says to do that until you get this dough-like consistency, and then ask an adult to wipe the compact clean with rubbing alcohol and let it dry before setting.
So
the
how much
eyeshadow.
water were you supposed to do?
It doesn't say. There's like no real directions.
It doesn't say how much water. Oh, it said the beaker. It said fill the beaker. This is the beaker gave
that's
us.
The beaker.
I'm
So,
sure.
do you want to come see the dough-like?
No.
The dough-like consistency? This is the dough-like. That's why I'm like, we're supposed to add a drop of water, like a drop of spit. What?
Oh yeah, that maybe we put too much water, but it said beaker, and this is the beaker it came with.
I'm confused, Maddie. Well, we know what we did wrong, so we're gonna re-put in the cornstarch and the powdered sugar and the
Coloring.
food coloring. Oh my
pretty
god, I'm
easy.
just thinking about Fruit Loop donuts. Like I don't give a fuck about edible eyeshadow. I'm gonna do. Ooh.
You want some? Whoa! That's beautiful.
I wanna make my own sprinkles.
Oh my god. Sprinkle. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, yes. Edible lip gloss. Sprinkles.
Like sprinkle cupcakes. We should have owned that. We flopped.
Oh.
We didn't know each other. Okay.
knew you.
So we're back to where we were.
Okay. So a couple drops.
Okay, we're gonna try to do this.
Okay.
Okay, just stop there and let's
Yeah.
pray there's a dough-like consistency.
Did you put a color in there?
Yeah, there it goes, sorry.
That sound. I think we need more sugar. I don't know. I feel like we need more something.
I hate that noise. I'm so sorry.
I honestly think it would taste better if we put a little sugar in it too. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
and then it would be a thicker consistency.
I think it needs a little bit more of this.
No, cornstarch. That's a lot.
I just got really lightheaded.
Are you okay?
I just
Do you want to call Laganja Estrange?
Laganja Estranja?
Is that her name?
Laganja, I'm so sorry.
I love Laganja because the green. That's what it reminded me of. That's why I said Laganja.
Oh, this is her aesthetic. Like, she would live for this.
That's why I was saying we call her Laganja Estranja. What? Laganja
Estranja.
Estranja.
Laganja Estranja.
I love being friends with all these drag queens.
Live for all of them.
I need to be friends
They
with
get
them.
me, yes. And they all live for you. Trixie Mattel is like
I love
your
that.
cousin. Okay, what's next?
Do you have a dough-like consistency?
In that ass.
I'm not sure if that's dough exactly, but we can keep going and try it and see what happens.
I feel like we're having a Nickelodeon slime moment.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next?
You need to wipe it with rubbing alcohol.
Nope,
And
next.
then
Over that.
Next.
press down and flatten the mixture into the container with clean fingers.
Okay.
All right, Trisha, so
Okay.
we're gonna pour this in.
Wait, should I get this wand out?
Yeah. I'm just gonna do this instead of using my finger. Like, there's one.
Ooh.
Am I blocking? Like,
What
I
is
feel
this?
like, you think that looks good?
I think you overfilled.
Oh, I love being filled. Yes, baby. So this is kind of doughy, but not.
Are you putting it all green? This whole palette green?
3.
That's
I'm,
4.
I'm channeling a new, it is 4. Oh my.
What's this shade called?
Gangrene. So it said to put sprinkles in here.
Beautiful. I love it.
Now what, Maddie? The sprinkles are on. Look, the scooper worked.
Oh wow, it looks beautiful.
Thank you. Now what?
Now I think you wait for it.
Do we close the oven?
That's a palette. The oven's over there.
Okay.
Are we baking it in an oven?
No, we don't, right? There's no way.
there-
With
that's
plastic?
literally all it
Imagine.
says. Now that was your instructions. Now it says eat and wear. So you're
Eat.
supposed to
Oh!
Wait for it to what?
harden, I think.
Oh, okay, living. This looks like the caramel apple freeze from
Taco Bell.
yeah.
Oh my god, we are so. It does. Taco Bell's still not open in Calabasas.
Why?
They're remodeling.
Oh yeah.
We went to go one night, really late at night, and then it was like condemned with a fence, and I was like, I left town for 2 days. Like I was traumatized on the
Really?
one that we went to. Yeah. So they're just remodeling and making it more current because we filmed with it, and they realized the asset that it is.
Wait, really?
So they had to revamp it because of us. Imagine.
Like,
It's just like, really, I did that, bitch.
I know.
You never know. They saw, millions of people saw it, and they're like, oh god, that location's outdated. Like, we're embarrassing to Jeffree and Trisha. We gotta step our pussies
Step it up.
Yeah. Oh my god, so Madison off camera tried her own recipe, plop them in. Oh, Trisha, we flopped. I'm gonna be honest,
That was a flop.
Maddie, we flopped.
Okay, so
Okay.
you might want to get a smaller spoon. And well,
Yeah, fuck it, just go for it.
It's not like it's beautiful.
Whoa, yours is like blood sugar palette, like.
Ooh. Looks like Play-Doh.
I
Oh dear.
know, oh my god.
oh, there you
It's
go.
like a watermelon.
Yes.
Do you think this works? I mean, like for eyeshadow and edibility.
Oh god, no, she did
Taste
it.
it. See what it tastes like.
Okay, so we are gonna try this out.
It doesn't taste like anything. Like
A
sugar.
Sugar, a little bit, yeah. Everyone at home's like,
good.
yeah, it's just sugar and cornstarch, you dumb blondes.
Like, it tastes like powdered sugar.
Oh my god!
We did so good.
One more.
Oh, yes, the palette's not complete.
Wait, it doesn't even like come up on the swatching fail.
Yeah, I can't put that on my eyelids. Like, I actually didn't really wear eyeshadow today on purpose, but I cannot put that on my eyes.
Should I try?
Yeah.
I just got my eyelashes done. It's gonna drip.
No.
I'll do a crease cut.
Oh my.
Is it pretty?
Whoa, it's very Halloween. Don't do any more. No. Put it back.
Is it a
it's
crease
gonna
cut?
fall in your eyelashes and you're gonna regret it. Tomorrow
I-
you're gonna text me like, you fucking faggot.
I went to Mykonos with my freaking new.
Oh my, remember when we talked about going to Greece?
Yeah, come. Wait, I need to put a little more maybe.
It says you're supposed to wet the brush if you're gonna apply it.
Oh.
Oh.
Got
Yeah, I was trying. You were.
Oh, got it, okay.
I didn't know that.
Me neither.
We're flops.
Beauty guru.
Don't do
feel.
it near your lashes. Just do a cut crease. Oh, the pigment's stunning. Oh my god. Are we leaving that on?
Yeah.
Let's just see how it looks in like
This is
5
my
minutes.
Wendy's look.
Okay, great.
Because it's red.
Yeah. Oh,
Hey,
cute.
Wendy's, I'm here.
Okay, so obviously this is not a meal. Me and her are hungry. I want to see your new car, by the way.
Oh, yes.
Trisha got a Lamborghini. Hi.
Yes.
Which is so fucking sick. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. thank you. I'm living. I'm trying to be Jeffree Star as much as I can before I go broke. I'm Jeffree Star 2007. Spend all my money and then.
I'm starving.
Same.
Let's go. Okay, so we're both starving.
Starving.
Where do you want to go? There's every fast food around here.
Wendy's?
Yeah.
We live?
A vanilla and chocolate frosty, both double dipping right now. So
Equal opportunist.
Great. Okay, so we are about to go, we're actually gonna do part 2 on Trisha's channel. So we are about to say goodbye to you guys. If you wanna watch our Wendy's epic mukbang, I don't know what's about to happen, but.
We're gonna eat. That's what a mukbang is.
Oh my God, did you watch my throat video, my secret surgery?
No, but my mom told me that you can't swallow food.
So
she watches it.
Did you ever, the first time we filmed our Taco Bell video, did you ever wonder why I wasn't eating more food?
Yes, 100%, 100%. I told everybody, I'm like, but he doesn't eat.
Yeah, and I love eating. It's just slower. And then when I was with you, I didn't want to stop talking because I was like,
oh yeah, you ate nothing. But then I was like, oh, but you're so skinny. So I'm like, oh, that makes sense.
And then when you left,
oh really?
yeah. Oh my God, my lawyer. Okay, love you guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.